Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Sherwell Road, where I'm bringing to the market 2 apartments. The first floor comprises of 2 double bedrooms, and the ground floor is a 1 double bedroom with a huge 2-tiered rear garden. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you're interested in viewing either of these apartments, or equally if you're interested in getting an evaluation on your own property, please contact me on the details below. Many thanks.